Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check tips and user manual on your Samsung phone. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, go to the settings, then scroll down to the tips and user manual. And here you can see the list with several options or tips, like manage your phone's settings. And if you click on that, here you have several tips like dynamic lock screen, X for Wi-Fi password, keep your fingers happy in landscape mode, open apps in split view with apps edge, save your current split screen layout, swipe to undo or redo, get your notifications with a swipe, reach the wall screen with one hand, stay quiet for a while, get the full screen experience, and show your flow. So these are the tips on the manage your phone's settings section, and here you have several more, like be more productive, and you can check out all these tips. And I think that there are a lot of interesting and useful ones, so check them out. And the other important option or setting here is the user manual, which is not really a setting, is a manual for your phone. And here you have the basics, apps and feature settings as appendix, and here you have information and the useful things about your phone, which you can check it out. I hope this was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.